guys, we found Airbnb that we're going to stay for 4 days here in Donegal. So I'll give you a house tour. So let's check this out. And this place is hosted by Marie. Hello! So this is the receiving area. They have their fireplace. So you can put your fire on, TV. Can you check the view outside? Yeah. Then can read books. So you might read some books and some brochures about Donegal. You want to have a tour? And this is the kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen on.
Yeah. Of course, we brought the house from Belfast. Food, drinks. Have a look. Water, fridge, washing machine. Yeah, you can wash. Then let's have a look at the rooms. There's 2 rooms here. It's toilet, but Jasmine is there. So this is the first room. Lovely, spacious. Yeah, this is the first room. One of the lights, yeah. This is where Cherry and Jasmine staying. And you can put your coats here. You can put your clothes here. Your coats. You can, yeah. And Jasmine. Right, the second room is me and Victor staying. It's a room. View, there's nothing. This is the back view.
No, it's enough space.
Yeah. And you have your cabinet here for clothes to store. And now we'll check the bathroom. Quite spacious. Isn't that, Victor?
Very beautiful.
Yeah. There's the toilet and the bathroom as well. Shower.
Simply beautiful.
Simply beautiful, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's got everything you need.
Yeah.
Satisfaction, guarantee.
Of course, we have now our food. We're starving and we're ready to eat after a long journey from Belfast. I'll see you later, guys.
Very good. You brought that on shortly.
A welcome drink. She bought us a welcome drink. Let me show Victor.
You have a little biscuit, welcome milk.
Yeah, what do you think of
Welcome
this? There is a welcome drink.
Welcome biscuit.
Welcome biscuits. What great hospitality.
Yeah. And thanks to Marie.
Thanks to Marie. My God, this is wonderful.
There's hailstones at the moment. Look at that. Torrentious rain. Horrendous rain. Horrendous rain.
Where's my chicken?
Where is my chicken?
Where's my chicken going?
Good morning, Jasmine. Good morning from Eske house. And look, outside, it's snowing. Hopefully it's not too bad. Good morning, Cherry. How's the cherries? Breakfast for today. Corned beef.
Very quick. My own treasure.
Get on your belt, sir.
stinky fish.
Stinky
what
fish.
are they called actually?
Danggit. Danggit.
Sanga.
Danggit from Cebu. How is it?
It's good as long as it's like French cheese. Don't smell
Nice
it.
in the
Just-
vinegar. Dip it in the vinegar.
Our breakfast. There.
Naglalaway ako.
I have real vinegar.
Well, there's chili flakes.
Well, it's really good. Doesn't everybody, if you're outside the Philippines, this stuff's like French cheese. Don't smell it, just eat it.
Yeah. Dip it with chili paste or vinegar with chili flakes. Yum yum.
It's funny, there's a creamy taste to this.